guys, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas Eve, that's what I say. I don't think you're supposed to say Merry with it, or I don't think do people even congratulate on Christmas Eve? I always say Happy Christmas Eve, even though it's like Merry Christmas. Oh well, that's just what I do. But I wanted to get cute today, so you guys would be kind of like getting together with me. That sounds so weird. Get ready with me, just a makeup look. I just wanted to do something cute for Christmas Eve. Y'all gonna see in this video how I was struggling kinda because I had to edit a lot because I have the craziest cold, y'all. It was like negative, like I was like negative. It wasn't negative. I'm in the south. It was like 4 degrees. The high was like 12. So y'all, everything froze. The doors, the windows, we couldn't open them. So it's still like that though. It's just crazy weather. But I wanted to do this look because it's Christmas, almost Christmas tomorrow, and just to get just to talk to you guys a little bit, even though I didn't talk that much in here. I was just talking about my makeup, but I still want to do this look because it's Christmas Eve. I will not have a video tomorrow because I'm going to be with my family on Christmas, but I will do a video after the day after Christmas. Get you guys up for like a day. So let's just jump right into this video. Okay, so I am going to start first by moisturizing my face because y'all, I just woke up and it's too early, but it's Christmas Eve and I wanted to have a cute look today. And once again, Merry Christmas Eve. I don't know if do you really say that? It's a weird thing to say. I think you just say Merry Christmas, but yeah, we say both over here. One day this week, y'all, I am going to be dyeing my roots because, yeah, I don't like how it's looking at this point. Because it's getting darker, because my roots are growing in, the blonde is getting darker, so I'll have to dye my hair. So I moisturize my face, y'all. I'm gonna go in with my brows. And since I'm wearing a hat, you might not be able to see them, but I still want to do them. So I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetics brow palette. And I'm going to use the dark eyebrow palette. I'm going to fill my eyebrows in darker on the outside. I'm like lining them and lighter on the inside. It's really not that serious. You can really just fill them in however you want to, but that's just what I do. I always do darker on the ends of my brows because they don't need that much, and lighter on the inside because I need more on the inside of it. I cannot believe we're almost done with this year. I'm so excited because this year has been a mess. Like, and there's so much that's been going on, y'all. I am excited though to see what next year has to offer. So I'm gonna finish this, and then I'm gonna add concealer to my brows because I like to clean up my brows. Like, I can't just leave them like this. Obviously, I cannot. You can if you want, but I will not. I clean them up so they look nice and clean. I'm gonna take my Cool Tan concealer, y'all. And that's what I'm going to use. This I use Pro LA Girl Concealer because it has the brush on the inside, on the outside of it. Well, it has the brush on the concealer. That's why I like it. So I'm just going to line this. And this is really simple to do. That's why I like it. It's really quick. You can also use a thinner brush with this to do it to be perfect if you want. If you're more comfortable using the brush, but it has a brush on it, so that's why I like it. So I'm gonna fill this in. I'm gonna do the same thing to the next brow, y'all. Okay, guys, so I did my brows and I went on and put my concealer on my eyelids just to set that. And I'm now gonna go in with my eyeshadow. I'm gonna take a red in here, and I might take the reddish orange, but I really need a bright red for my. I'm gonna take my brush. I feel like I might lose my voice. Why would I lose my voice at the end of December? I'm going to take this red. It's a dark red. I'm using my Glow palette. This is the palette, guys. Can you see that? Hope it's focused. So I'm going to take the dark red in here, and I'm going to apply this to my lids. And it's a dark, dark red, y'all. I'm also going to mix this with a bright red to get the color and to get like a really nice color. And then the bright red, I'm going to be using my Trendy and Tokyo palette from BH Cosmetics. This is the palette, the red in here, guys. They're really a bright red is what I'm looking for. I'm going to take the same brush and just put this over it. And I'm going to blend this out together, y'all. Guys, now that I have that blended, I'm gonna add some, I need some shimmer red, which I might use I'm gonna use the 35 Sweetest Tea palette, and I'm gonna use the red of the, it's like a flaming hot. So I'm gonna use that just on half of my eye. So this is the color. Hope that focuses. I'm gonna put this on, yeah, that's like a really flaming hot, for real, like flaming hot Cheetos. I just need some shimmer on this eye. Okay, guys, now that I have that done, that took a lot because y'all, so much has happened in like the last couple minutes. Jeez, I'm talking about this weather. This cold is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes with my eyeliner. I'm just using the marker, the black marker liner. Okay, now that I'm done with that, that took way too long. I'm gonna go in with my foundation, which I used the 355 Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me foundation, y'all. And I am gonna clean up my face. And I'm gonna blend this all out. So now I'm gonna use my concealer. I'm gonna mix the Cool Tan with the Toffee. And I gotta finish this eye, y'all, because I'm talking about my allergy is getting the best of me. And it's too late to back out now because I've been restarting and fixing stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go and blend this out. And the only reason I'm doing this video because it's the holidays and I want to do a cute holiday look. Even though I've done this before, but I'm gonna add my hair to it. So yeah, it's different to me. So I don't know why I'm doing this so hard. We're gonna do this lightly. I am ready for Christmas Day, y'all. Very ready. We don't really have traditions in my family, but we do eat Chinese food every year. We don't cook. We just order Chinese food. Okay, next I'm going to set my face, guys. I'm talking about, I'm still on, like, every time I have to edit, y'all, it's mainly because, which is a lot, because my nose just won't stop running. And this weather, like, I told y'all, it's like, it is currently 21 degrees, but, like, last night it was, like, a low 8. And it was so hard to sleep, and I had the heat on. So now I'm gonna go on and put my blush. I'm gonna go and do my other eye, my under eye. I'm gonna take the color I have on the brush I had earlier. And I messed up so much on my face, y'all, just because my weather. But this isn't really a makeup tutorial. I'm just getting ready with y'all, even though I'm telling y'all everything I'm doing. But yeah, it was so cold that we had to I put like a towel under my window because even though it was shut, wind still kept getting under there. And it's like a sheet, and it is frozen to the door, y'all. Like, that's crazy. That's how cold it is. The pool outside was frozen. Like, it froze. Okay, so I am now going to use my blush and clean this up. That's what I do. I'm gonna go in with my blush, y'all, and I'm using the Glow and Grace palette, and I am going to take the nude, it's like a nude blush, and just apply it to my cheeks. And a little bit right here, it's just what I do. And I don't really care if I mess up too much in my eyes because I got lashes there covered. So I am now going to go on in with my mascara, and I'm gonna finish this look. It's just mascara, lips, like some lip gloss, my eyeliner, y'all, and I'm gonna set my face so you guys will see the finished product, and I'll talk to you guys after that. And this is the finished look, guys. I just went on and added my wig, added my hat, lip gloss, lashes, and everything came together. Y'all, this is a mess in this video. I was a mess in this video. I still have a cold. It's not like it went away in like 3 minutes, but I wanted to do this look just because it's Christmas Eve. I'm excited for Christmas, so I wanted to get cute today, even though I feel horrible. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Merry Christmas. Have a good Christmas, and I will see you guys the day after Christmas. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamTatianaGreen, and I will see you guys the day after tomorrow. Bye.